Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be in a good mood and sound health. Your examinations are commencing from 12th of December 2020. Dear students, you are not physically in schools, you remain at connect to your teachers virtually, not physically. Face-to-face interaction is a must, and this was also realized by board. And finally, the board made concession in the syllabus, 40% concession in your syllabus. And now the questionnaire would be of 100 marks, and out of 100 marks, you have to attempt only 60, and whatever your gain would be, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Dear students, but important thing is that you have to remain busy with the books, you have to make self-study, you have to memorize notes to crack your examinations with huge percentage of marks. Dear students, self-study and hard work having no substitution in the world. It can take one's sinking boat to the bank. Dear students, today we are dealing with the political science and very important topic in our political science, how Prime Minister of India is elected. Dear students, it might be in your knowledge that India has adopted the parliamentary type of government, and this concept was borrowed from the United Kingdom. In parliamentary type of government, the head of the state is the president and the head of the government is the prime minister. Dear student, now the question arises how Prime Minister of India is elected. Dear students, the term for Lok Sabha is of 5 years. And that means after 5 years, general elections for Lok Sabha takes place, and there are the many political parties who contest election or which contest elections. And the party that gains the majority, remember, a party that gains the majority in the Lok Sabha choose their head, and the head of that very party becomes the prime minister. And prime minister of India is appointed by the president of India. On the recommendations, on the advice of the prime minister, rest of the cabinet is appointed by the president of India. Dear students, I am repeating the thing so simple it is. India has adopted parliamentary type of government, and this concept was borrowed from the United Kingdom or British. In parliamentary type of government, we have two heads. The head of the state is the president of India, in case of India, and head of the state, head of the government is prime minister. Now, question arises how prime minister of India is elected. So simple, you have to keep in the mind. Our parliament has two houses. One is the Lok Sabha, another is the Rajya Sabha. And for Lok Sabha, the term of elections is of 5 years. After 5 years, general elections for Lok Sabha takes place, and many political parties contest elections because India being the multi-party in the system. Or we can say there is a multi-party system in India. The party that gains the majority in the Lok Sabha elections and they choose their head, and head of that very party becomes the prime minister, and prime minister of India is then appointed by the president of India, and the president of India appoints the rest of the cabinet on the advice of the prime minister of India. Prime minister is the head of the cabinet or the head of the council of ministers, or we can say he is the head of the cabinet, and all the decisions are taken by the cabinet in the name of the president, and the sole decision maker or the lone decision maker is there, the prime minister. He serves the bridge between the cabinet and the president. Dear students, he allocates portfolios to different ministers. He supervises the work of the all departments, and these departments are headed by the political head, that is the that is the cabinet minister. Dear students, so simple it is. Now it is Kashmiri. Dear students, तोह थवन इत कन याद युस हिंदुस्तान यानी इंडिया अत मज पार्लियामेंटरी टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, पार्लियामेंटरी टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट कोरक यमो बारो यानी ये तस्वर करो, ये कंसेप्ट कोरक यमो बारो ब्रिटिश पे। अत पार्लियामेंटरी टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंटस मज ज हेड, Akh go head of the state in a mulkuk head, bia go head of the government. Head of the state छ आसान president, the head of the government आसान छ prime minister. वो सवाल कि prime minister कित कन छ बना. चूंकि युस लोक सभा आसान छ, पार्लियामेंट युस सोन पार्लियामेंट आछ ज बड़ हाउस, अख गो लोक सभा तो बia गो राज्य सभा. राज्य सभा मज तादाद आसान 250, लोक सभा एप्रोक्सिमेटली आसान 550 तो 543 छ इलेक्शन गसान. युति इलेक्शन गसान छ अत मज वारिया पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हिस्स नेवान. युस पार्टी सारे खत ज्यादा मेजॉरिटी नेवान छ. फॉर एग्जांपल पदमिस इलेक्शनस मज नी बीजेपी ज्यादा मेजॉरिटी इमो सोर पनुन हेड. युति यम हेड चाहना यह छ बना प्राइम मिनिस्टर इमस अपॉइंट करान प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. युस पार्टी लोकसभा इलेक्शनस मज ज्यादा सीट नेवान छ तम चाहना पनुन हेड यह छ बना प्राइम मिनिस्टर. प्राइम मिनिस्टर छ बना पद बनावान कुछ मिस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. यदि मिस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया बनावान छ अम सिंदिस वनस पे छ बाकी मिनिस्ट्री बना बाकी कैबिनेट्स बना. दपान युस प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया आसान छ यह छ लिंक आसान कस दरमियान कैबिनेट्स दरमियान तो प्रेसिडेंटस दरमियान. यम मिनिस्टर दिवान पोर्टफोलियोज यानी यह गो होम मिनिस्टर ब्या गो फाइनान्स मिनिस्टर ब्या गो कम्युनिकेशन मिनिस्टर ब्या गो रेलवे मिनिस्टर ब्या गो ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर. यम पोर्टफोलियोज कर इशू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. इवन सह हेक ड्राप तो कस मिनिस्टर्स कर. मगर यम कैबिनेट डिसीजन गसान तम शक बगैर गसान प्रेसिडेंट सद नावस पे बट दे आर अमन मतलब निवान कुस कैबिनेट मगर हेड कर प्राइम मिनिस्टर. गो तो मतलब युस कैबिनेट आसान दुयमन लफ्जन युस गवर्नमेंट आसान सारी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नावस पे चलान. गो प्राइम मिनिस्टर चलावान अत सारसी गवर्नमेंटस. अत मज शक कि तमाम यम पावर्स एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स लेजिस्लेटिव पावर्स जुडिशल पावर्स प्रेसिडेंट पे नावस मगर इन एक्सरसाइज कर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. गो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया मैन फिगर इन इंटायर कैबिनेट आर वह सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर यह गवर्नमेंट चलावान. क्या पार्टी मेजॉरिटी नेवान लोकसभा इलेक्शन मज तम पुन हेड चारान तो हेडे बना पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर अमिस अपॉइंट कर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. गो डियर स्टूडेंट कशिर पट यह सहल पट याद थावन. पतमिस इलेक्शनस अगर तुम वो बीजेपी नी सारे खुद ज्यादा सीट तमो चोर पुन हेड मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी सही बनो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपॉइंट कर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया तो अम सिंस वनस पे बाकी मिनिस्टर या काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर बना. इन यीत्या कैबिनेट डिसीजन गसान तिम सुपरवाइज कर तिम लीड कर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. तो यह कंस मिनिस्टर्स ड्राप कर तस पोर्टफोलियो चेंज कर यह सुपरवाइज कर सारी मिनिस्ट्री हज काम. क्या प्रथ कुन डिपार्टमेंटस पोलिटिकल हेड सह मिनिस्टर. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion or query that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me. But better is to learn these things or see these things from your available political science reference book so that you can grasp the concept well. In case you find any confusion while going through the books or while going through the notes, you can forward your query to me or political science teacher. He will definitely help you or she will definitely help you in solving or in eradicating your confusion. But better is to put extra efforts, do hard work so that you can take your sinking boat to the bank. You remain physically not in the schools. This is why your boat is sinking. You must put extra efforts to crack the examinations, and my prayers are with you. Thanks. Be balanced.